Let's say the DVI care centers are seen as a blessing in disguise. A blessing to the population because we would have had more incidents of murders had it not been for the intervention of the DVI care centers. We have had incidents of cases that are reported that are at the level of, if we had not intervened, you'd have had a murder. If we had not intervened, you'd have had a serious injury. And we have had a number of these cases. And they are not limited to the lower strata of society. We have it all the way to the top. And so the DVI care center really came at a time when not only the JCF needed to have that facility, but when at a time where Jamaica needs to have a facility where they can go for help and is confident that when they go, the help is given. That is what the DVI care centers have been able to do. We have had, since the inception, we have had steady increases in the numbers of reports to the police as well as reports to the DVI care centers. I think for this year, last year, 2022, we have close to 2,000 cases. A year it was 1,000 and something. So there are steady increases in the numbers coming to the DVI care center. But what is also to note is that we have had over 2,000 men reporting domestic violence to the DVI care centers. Not that they just need to talk. Some of them just need to talk. Some of them, we are at a stage where we are breaking and we need the help. So it's good. It's good because if we are talking about men being the greatest perpetrator of domestic violence, we must have a facility where men can go and talk, and the DVI care centers provide that for them. So if you need help, reach out to the domestic violence intervention centers. You can call the numbers. I'm going to give you a general number, which is 224-4274. If you call that number, you will be directed to the nearest domestic violence intervention center. You can visit any of the locations, the 10 locations that I had mentioned before, or you can walk into any police station and say, I need to go to a DVI care center, and you'll be directed there.